Okay, guys, hotel review time. I don't have any information really on this hotel, only what you see in the video. I stayed here on June the 1st of 2026, and it's way up in the mountains in China. It's 550 kilometers from Chengdu. It took an entire day to get here. It was a project, let me tell you. This is a very old hotel, but at the same time, it was comfortable. It was good. I had no issues with it whatsoever. Very clean. Everything worked. The bed was really comfortable. And that's all the main things in my opinion. There it is right in the mountains. Absolutely beautiful in here. And here's the building itself. As you can see, looks really old. The only reason this hotel is here is for the tourists. But just take a look at this lobby. Absolutely magnificent. It would have been something whenever this hotel was built. Whatever year that might have been, because it wasn't recent, that's for sure. No idea what this place would cost. I cannot find it online. But it was pretty nice. Here is the check-in area, the reception. Very unique. Very interesting. Going into where the breakfast was served. Buffet style, of course. We'll go take a look at some of the food. There was a bunch of different tour groups all staying here at the same time. And like I said, I'm sure that's the only reason this hotel is open, or probably why it was built in the first place. Eggs boiled in tea, very, very common. No shortage of food, that's for sure. Everything piping hot, everything as it should be. And plenty of selection. And it was cold, single digits. On June the 1st, single digits. Or this might have been June the 2nd in the morning. As you can see, most people were wearing winter jackets because it was cold. Surprisingly cold. Another look at the lobby, looking out at the front doors. Very nice. Those orchids are real. Surprisingly. Don't think so with the sunflowers, but the orchids were real. No way with the sunflowers, if they're even sunflowers. And this is right in front of the hotel. There's another hotel just downriver as well. Beautiful area, let me tell you. And a big hotel. But as you can see, the only vehicles in the parking lot are all buses. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Unfortunately, I can't give you any information on this one. But at the same time, really the only reason you're going to ever stay here is because you're doing one of these tours. And I have to say, I was impressed with this hotel, even though I wasn't impressed when I first saw it. And that's why this place is open. Aw, those are real.